you've seen everything in motocross? Think again. The 2025 Honda CRF450R just raised the bar. Again. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a track-dominating pro, this latest evolution from Honda promises unmatched performance, control, and confidence. Stick around, because in just a few minutes, we'll break down why the CRF450R might be the best dirt bike of the year. Refined power and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 CRF450R roars with a retuned Unicam engine that delivers smoother torque and more controllable low-end power. Honda's engineers focused on throttle response and traction, helping riders get off the line faster and stay in control through every twist and jump. Expect a more linear power band with a punch that doesn't sacrifice finesse. Chassis and suspension upgrades. Honda has revamped the frame rigidity and Showa suspension setup to give riders better cornering stability and improved feedback. Lighter yet stronger, the redesigned chassis reduces rider fatigue while keeping the CRF nimble and aggressive on any terrain. Technology that works with you. Selectable engine maps, Honda selectable torque control, and an updated launch control system give riders tools to customize their ride like never before. Every system is tailored to enhance rider input, not replace it, keeping the soul of motocross alive with a modern edge. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda CRF450R isn't just evolution, it's domination. If you're serious about off-road riding, this is the machine to watch. Subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more two-wheeled tech and performance insights.